Power yoga is very fast-paced and popular among youngsters for the adrenaline rush it gives. This form of yoga not only helps in building stamina, but also helps in losing weight instantly. The 5 reasons you should start doing power yoga are: 1. Increases flexibility. Although most exercises help in increasing our body flexibility, power yoga, because of the aerobatic energy it exudes, takes your flexibility game to the next level. 2. Enhances concentration. Power yoga is known to improve the ability to concentrate in human beings and also sharpen their memories. After a quick power yoga session, the mind is in a relaxed state, which in turn allows the brain to function at a lightning speed and give undivided attention to the things that matter. 3. Power to endure. There is always a limit to what our minds and bodies can endure. And, if you want to push your boundaries, then incorporate power yoga into your daily routine. 4. Yoga pose correction. Since it is fast-paced and filled with energy, power yoga is a great way to correct one's traditional yoga poses. So if you have been doing it wrong all this while, you know what to do to make things right. 5. Makes you sleep well. Contrary to popular belief, power yoga can be really intense and is a perfect blend of stretching for the body and relaxation for the mind, which helps people in getting proper sleep at night. So these are the 5 reasons you should start doing power yoga.